Then crochet the mouth with the orange yarn. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert hook into the loop on mid finger. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Once set is done, the second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. Three sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 4 single crochets, 1 increase, and 4 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 4 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Work 3 more single crochets. Four single crochets are done. Next, work 1 increase. Then work 4 single crochets. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 1 increase 4 single crochets twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Then work 4 single crochets. Once set is done, the second set, work 1 increase and 4 single crochets in turn. 2 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 3 single crochets 1 increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 3 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Work 2 more single crochets. Three single crochets are done. Next, work 1 increase. 1 set is done. Keep working 2 more sets. Work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. Three sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn end for sewing. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Pull the yarn tail out. The mouth is completed.